Hey everyone guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk you through the steps on how to transfer. Okay, how to transfer money from your Cash App to your Wisely card, right? It's a quick and easy process that will help you move funds from one account to the other, so let's dive right in guys. So first things first guys, you want to start by opening up the Cash App on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account before you actually proceed, okay? Now once you're in the app, what you want to do guys is you want to tap on the banking tab, okay? This is actually where all this is actually, the icon that looks like a house or a bank, and this is where you are going to be able to, take you to your account balance and your linked accounts, right? And if you haven't already added your Wisely card, guys, to your Cash App, now is actually the time to do that. Just tap on the linked accounts section, okay? Tap on the linked account section, then select add a bank, and what you can do is just enter your Wisely card details, including your account and routing numbers. And if your Wisely card has a direct deposit option, then you can use that as your linked bank account. Okay guys, now what you want to do now guys, after you do that, is you want to just go back to the main screen in the Cash App and tap on add cash button. Okay, this button will allow you to add money from your Cash App balance to your linked account. Next, guys, what you're going to need to do is enter the amount of money you want to transfer to your Wisely card. Okay, you can choose from preset amounts, or you can actually type in a custom amount. Okay, once you've selected the amount, just hit add. Okay, click on add. Now, Cash App will basically ask you to confirm the transaction. Just double check the amount and the linked Wisely card before confirming. You may be asked to enter your Cash App PIN or use your fingerprint for security, guys. And basically, guys, once confirmed, your funds will be transferred from Cash App balance to your Wisely card. The transfer typically takes a few minutes, but could take longer depending on your bank's processing time. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. You've successfully transferred money from Cash App to your Wisely card. It's literally that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. See you guys